How to change Facebook name. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now head towards the menu page. Now at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Under account you will find the option of personal and account information. Open that option. Click on the option of name. From this page, you are able to change the Facebook name. You can clear your old name and type a new name for your Facebook account. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Once you type a new name, click on the option of Review Change. Preview your new name, choose how your name will appear on profile. Once you select that, to save this setting, you have to enter your Facebook password. After you type in, click on Save Changes. Now head towards your profile and refresh it. And with that, your Facebook name will be changed. So this is how you can easily change Facebook name. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.